A health alert for parents and even pregnant women. Protect your children from yourself. Get the whooping cough vaccine. That's from the New Mexico Department of Health. The sickness is common, highly contagious, and even deadly. The idea is to vaccinate new moms and dads so that they won't pass it on to their babies. 874 whooping cough cases were reported to health officials in New Mexico last year. That's 3 times more cases than the previous year. The CDC recommends booster shots for both adults and teens.